Always is.
That's right. I actually have no idea what figgy pudding is. Just to be honest, never seen it, never eaten it. Not even sure it exists. True story. I didn't think the jungle existed until I went out into it. All right. Looks like we're all settled and we are clear. Everyone take your favorite hand and wave goodbye to all the nice skippers on the dock. Wave goodbye to the naughty ones too. They know who they are. Getting cold for Christmas. Alright, a couple of ground rules, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated. Keep all hands, arms, and feet inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise your children because well, Santa's watching. And I heard he's still working on the naughty or nice list, or we don't want to do anything today that's going to sway him either way now, do we? Welcome to the world-famous Jingle Cruise. I'm going to be your host for the next 12 days and one really long, silent night. Over here on the left, everyone see those overly large insects right there? Those are called humbugs. And if you listen carefully, you can hear their call. Everybody listen, okay? You listening? Ah! Just as I suspected, ladies and gentlemen. Humbugs. The worst kind of humbugs. And if you feel really itchy right now, that's because the police. Now they die. Over here on the left, we're about to pass the beautiful Inspiration Falls. Anyone know why we call it Inspiration Falls? That is because it inspires even the meanest of Scrooges to break out their Christmas caroling. So here we go. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Okay, and it's like two people singing, so I'm just going to stop. We've now entered the Congo River. Let's see how far this boat can go. Set up a really cool holiday party for you. Oh man, no one showed up. The story of my life. I can't see anyone canoe. Oh, look at this. Look at this beautiful Christmas tree all wrapped up with a pretty boa on top. So cute. I love our holiday decor department. I'm gonna stop by my camp and grab a few things. Oh no. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's my in-laws. They've been practicing their holiday gift wrapping. It's so great to see you! Yeah! Did that sound sincere? No? Not at all? Okay, I'll keep practicing. We've now entered the Nile River. It's the world's longest river. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. It's really tough to navigate this time of year. It's got a really strong Yuletide. We've got some African elephants coming up here on the left and right. Yelling at us all the time. We keep telling them that they're on the naughty list, but they keep saying that they're in denial. Yes, I hear you. I know. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the world-famous Jingle Bell rocks. A lot of people really take them for granted. But personally, I think they're one of our bolder attractions here. That's right, I think they really rock. Now, this is the African belt. It's home to a lot of wildlife like gazelles and gnu's and giraffes and lions and zebras. And I heard there was a partridge in a pear tree up there too. Speaking of lions, very nice of this family of lions to invite our sleeping zebra over for Christmas dinner. Although he's probably just pretending to sleep to avoid talking to extended family over the holidays. That's what I always do. Probably shouldn't have told you that. Oh my goodness. Look at this. You know, when I decorate for the holidays, I usually just straight popcorn. Oh, that's my friend Ina. Everyone say hi, Ina. Oh, thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. I really appreciate it. I hear a waterfall. Oh, yes. Now, we are approaching Schweitzer Falls, which, of course, we all know is named after the famous North Pole explorer, Dr. Snow Falls. That's right. But don't worry, guys. We're going to go over that later. That's right. There'll be a pop quiz. Right now, I need everybody's help. Everybody to lean for me, please, to the right. Lean. This boat's hard to turn. Here we go. Because I really don't want to deck the falls with the guests. I'm all in. La 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 la. Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. We made it. Looks like the Jungle Aviation Company got a great holiday offer on this plane. Half off. Looks like all our flights are going to be grounded again for the holiday. Don't you just love holiday travel? You guys are tourists, you know what I mean? Oh, hippos. Fun fact about hippos, if you ever see them wiggling their ears, that is actually how they stay warm during the winter. Cool fact. They don't want to catch hypothermia. Actually, I just made that up. I have no idea if that's true or not. If you ever see them wiggling their ears, that's actually how you can tell that they're about to charge the boat. For your convenience, they take cash or credit. Just kidding, we already charged 2 magic bands back to resort. We know everything about you. Just kidding. So we got all our favorite holidays characters over here. We got Dasher, Dancer, and Prancer. Oh, look, the little drummer boys. So cute. Oh no, not again. Alright, everybody get down. These guys are angry. They keep getting socks for Christmas, and this year they found out that we got them socks again. They're really mad. Alright, we made it. We survived. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the pleasure of being turned to see it over there. I was going to do the backside of the eggnog, but I'm lactose intolerant. Enter the mighty Mekong River. I see a bunch of presents up ahead on the right. That's right. If I'm not mistaken, we're about to enter Santa's workshop. I'm really excited. I've always wanted to see Santa's workshop. Uh-oh. Well, this doesn't look anything like the pictures that I saw. Raise your hand if you didn't make it out. Cool. Full boat. Not going to get fired. Everybody see this beautiful elephant up here on the mantle over there? And that is Bertha, and she's a very stinky elephant. So this year, instead of showering her with gifts, we decided to give her the gift of a shower. Based off the smell of this boat, some of you guys can use that for the holidays too. Like you've been out walking around in a park all day or something. Gotta be careful, these elephants like to spray the boat. They catch colds during the winter. A lot of post-nasal drip. A lot of people think it's water coming out of their trunks, but it's not. Oh, we go on the left. That's a very special guest that I'd like to introduce you to. He is our head salesman of the Jungle. His name is Trader Santa. And lately his sales have been shrinking, so he's got a special holiday offer for you. 3 of his heads for the price of yours. Any takers? No? Well, just think of it this way. Anyway, you slice it or dice it, you still come out ahead. Just the other day, I was over at Trader Sam's for dinner, and I said, Trader Sam, you know, your wife, she makes a really great stew. Trader Sam says, yeah, I know, but now I really miss her. If you got that joke, congratulations. Not many people do. Usually just slices right through people's heads. I mean, over people's heads. That was also a joke. And that concludes the cannibal portion of our journey, if you still haven't gotten it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I regret to inform you that we're coming upon the most dangerous part of our journey together, and that, of course, is Black Friday shopping. No, just kidding. It's actually the return back to civilization. So, please remain seated. Keep all hands, arms, and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Please supervise your children. Children, please supervise your adults. And if you're a childless millennial, thanks for being here. If you guys enjoyed your cruise today, my name is Skipper Cory from Detroit, Michigan. If you guys did not, my name is Skipper Elsa from Arrington. Please let it go. Gotta say, out of all my boats, you guys have definitely been the most recent one, so thanks for that. For those of you who laughed, thank you so much. You guys inspire me every day. For those of you who did not, I feel really inspired to get you off my boat. It's been an awkward 10 to 13 minutes of you just staring at me, so thanks for that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm having a great time, so I think I'm going to go around again after this. And then around again after that. And then, oh, children, stay in school. Stay in school. Anybody plan on catching the fireworks later on tonight? Anybody? Yeah, please don't catch them. That's very dangerous. Just watch them from a safe distance, like Main Street. It's a very explosive experience. That's right. We're going to be underwater soon. I mean, underway. Sorry. Underwater was my last boat. That's all beneath me, that one. I mean, behind me. I don't know why they pay me to talk. I'm not good at it. All right. We are clear to enter the dock. We've got a pair of dogs here. The guys that are going to help us out, those are a pair of dorks. What? You're doing a great job. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there's only 2 words left to say, and those, of course, are the famous 2 words that Santa Claus exclaimed when he said, Merry Christmas to all and to all. Get out. No, he said, please get out. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. You guys have been outstanding. I need you outstanding on the dock watching. Oh, I was supposed to do a New Year's Eve joke. Drop the ball on that one, sorry. Watch your head, watch your step. Please use the handrails as you exit. Go back and save it later. You can see it in the eyes. My name is Skipper Cory, spelled H-E-L-P-N-E.
Hey, go on.
Watch your head, watch your step. Please use the handrails as you exit.